Welcome back, guys. Today we will create an animated kids story video like this.
There was a girl named Diana who loved rabbits. She was very adventurous, and once upon a time, she went into a dense forest to find rabbits. When she saw a rabbit, she got very excited and started running after it. But suddenly the rabbit disappeared, and a mysterious light began coming from the trees.
This animated kids story can gain millions of views on YouTube, allowing you to earn money, and we will create all of this completely free of cost without any subscriptions. This video has a lot of information, so don't skip any part. Let's get started with our first step. In our first step, we need to generate a script for our story, so we will ask ChatGPT to provide ideas for a kid's story. As we asked, we received different stories, and you can select any of them. I liked the story about a girl in the forest, so I will ask to give a story of a girl in the forest. Just don't forget to ask for image prompts for the story to make your work easier. Here, we have the story outline, the character's name, and, most importantly, the prompt for the character's images. The next step is to copy this prompt and proceed to the image generation step. There are many image generators available, both free and paid, and you can use whichever works best for you. I will proceed with Leonardo AI because it has a free plan that allows us to generate over 30 to 40 images daily. Click on the image generation option and you will see this interface. At the top, you need to paste the prompt you copied from ChatGPT. A prompt simply means the description or instructions for creating the image. On the left side, you need to adjust the settings. First, choose the ratio for the images, like what shape or size you want them to be. Then, select how many images you want to generate. Make sure to turn on the fixed seed option and enter any random number. This option helps to create more images later that look similar to the ones you generate now. Then you're done. Just click on the Generate option. Here, we have the images just like we wanted. Now you can download them. For the next image, slightly change the prompt to get better results. For example, you can change the girl's position from standing to running. After that, hit Generate again. Look, we got the girl walking and running this time. It's simple, guys, not that complicated. Please just hit the like button on this video and subscribe to the channel if you liked it. You can also ask for a back view of our character to get better results for the video. Just like this, generate all the images, and then we can move ahead to the next step. That is video generation. We will do the video generation part with Runway ML, as it gives high-quality images in its free version. Click on the Generative Session option. Here, we need to upload the image that we just generated from Leonardo AI. The image is uploaded. To generate a video from it, you just have to select the duration and simply click on Generate. We got the video from our image. Let's check it out. Nice! The video is very detailed, just like we wanted. You can download it and proceed to upload the next image. To generate the best results, you can enter a prompt like Animated Girl Exploring the Forest to get results like this. Just like this, you can generate videos from all the other images we generated with Leonardo. If you've watched this far, thank you. Please subscribe to the channel where we upload the latest technologies and money-making content like this. Now that we have our videos ready, let's move to the next step. That is editing the video. You can use any editor. I'm using Canva. Let's get started. First, upload the videos we generated from Runway ML. Once the video is uploaded, simply drag it to the timeline to merge the video according to your needs. There are many options here to edit the video easily. Now that we've merged the videos, it's time to generate the voice for our story. We will generate the voice with the help of 11 Labs. It's limited to use, but don't worry, you can get the story script voice for free here. If you want to enjoy full access to 11 Labs, you can click the link in the description, which will allow you to use 11 Labs for just $1. Here, we have many languages and voices to choose from. Select whichever voice you like by hearing them. First, paste your story script by copying it from ChatGPT. Then, select the voice you like. There are many options, and most of them sound realistic, like a real person talking. After selecting, click on the play button, and you'll get your script's voice ready.
There was a girl named Diana who loved rabbits. She was very adventurous, and once upon a time...
After getting the voice script, upload it to Canva. Then, adjust your story script voice according to your video. After you're done, download the video in MP4 format. Now, it's time to move on to our last step. That is subtitles. We will generate subtitles with Feed AI, which automatically creates beautiful subtitles with the help of AI. Click on Create New Project and upload the video you downloaded from Canva. On the left side, you'll see the subtitle option. Click on Auto Subtitle, and it will start generating the subtitles. Once the subtitles are ready, you can change the style, color, and adjust it however you like. You can check by playing the video to see if the style suits your video. There are many styles available here that can definitely suit your video. Play around with the different options to see which one looks the best with your content. After selecting the style, it's time to download the video. Here's the tricky part. You'll need to gently reduce the size of the video because Veed adds its logo in the free plan. I'm not recommending doing this, but once the video is downloaded, you can crop out that part and your video will be ready. This was just a short part, but you can create an entire movie like this. Please subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed this video and let us know in the comment section which part you liked the most. See you in the next video.